So the Innovations Conference is our flagship event that we hold each year. This will be the 4th year that we've run it as the Innovations Conference. The technical name is the Innovations in Cancer Treatment and Care Conference, and it's really our opportunity to share innovation but also encourage the exchange of ideas and for people to get excited about cancer care. This year it'll be held at the Ariel Conference Centre at UTS. We move it around each year. This year that's where it is, and we're really pleased that we're able to offer free attendance for up to 400 people this year, so it'll be a really big event. As it's our 4th year too, we've decided to take the next step, and so we'll be hosting our first international keynote speaker. So Professor Thomas Feeley from the MD Anderson Cancer Center in Texas will be our keynote speaker. Tom also works at Harvard Business School with Professor Michael Porter, and the work that they do there is around value-based healthcare. So what we're trying to do with Tom coming out to Australia is to really start the conversation about values-based healthcare and to think about how we can do some work in New South Wales under the banner of a quality cancer system to really start to build value into the healthcare system in New South Wales. So the conference has a range of different speakers. The general format is that in the morning we have the keynote speaker, so it'll be Tom Feeley. We then got a panel discussion where we get a range of different people to come and comment on that presentation and a big audience question and answer session. Julie McCrossan, who's the ABC broadcaster and general chatter person, will be facilitating that morning session, and then we go into Concurrent. So we ask local health districts, primary health networks, other people working in cancer care to submit abstracts and tell us about the projects that they're working on. And then we have 5 concurrent sessions during the day where those people get to speak about their projects and share what they're doing, the innovative work that they're doing across the state with all of their colleagues. The last thing is in the afternoon we'll have a second invited speaker, so Professor Phyllis Buteau from the University of Sydney, who's one of our Translational Cancer Program research grant holders. We'll talk about some of the work that she's doing in psycho-oncology and how some of the supportive care work that she's been doing is being transformed into self-management resources so that people affected by cancer are able to get the information and knowledge that they need to be able to manage some of their psychosocial things, so things like depression and anxiety and stress, at home by themselves with their families as opposed to having to go and see a professional. So that's quite exciting that she'll talk about that in the afternoon.